Hey, Learn IT with Mr. P here. So I had a fun day today. I went back to where I used to work, Everett High School, and I met with what's called the CTE classes. This are students who are learning about various careers, and they asked me to come and speak to these students, mostly sophomores and juniors, about my experience being in IT, information technology, cybersecurity, programming. And like I've always told my students in previous years, if you want to be working at a hospital, you don't have to be a doctor or nurse to work there. There's a lot of jobs that are not necessarily a doctor or nurse to work at a hospital. Well, the same thing is true with computer science. You don't have to be a programmer or a web designer to be involved with computer science. So I told them how I got into computer science basically by accident when I was working in my geography department, learning about how to get data from the VAX to the Apple II using a dial-up modem. And then I wrote a user manual how to do that. And then I learned how to get some other software working. And it became really a thing that I said, gee, this is what I want to do. And I actually left grad school to pursue a job in IT. And I gave them, I think there's a video that I put up there, it's sort of my digital life, where I talk about my time in college. And they were really fascinated by things like the teletypewriter and the punch card. They just were astonished that computer programming seems so primitive and so arduous a task to actually start doing line by line coding on paper. I showed them a Fortran coding sheet. I showed them punch cards. They just did not understand how that was something that people could do back then. So again, it was really a lot of fun. I enjoy showing kids the history of my field, and hopefully we'll get some of them involved with it. Like I have one of my former students that did my website. So again, like and subscribe, folks. I hope you find this stuff interesting. And in the comments, I got some great comments about your first computer. Let me know when you first started programming. Let me know how you first started getting into IT, and kind of give us a sense of where you were on your journey as well. So again, thanks for listening in, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.